Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tabletop gravy warmer is probably one of the most overlooked kitchen gadgets, but for those who love to entertain and serve perfectly warm gravy, it's a game changer. This handy device keeps your gravy at the ideal temperature throughout your meal, preventing it from getting cold and ensuring a delightful culinary experience for you and your guests, elevating your dinner parties and family gatherings to a whole new level of sophistication and convenience. Number 5. Kook Classic Gravy Boat. It's the perfect addition to any dinner table. Serve your sauces, dressings, and condiments with style and ease. This beautiful gravy boat adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Its classic white ceramic design complements any setting. The large handle makes pouring comfortable and mess-free. The matching saucer catches any drips or splatters. It's made from durable, stain-resistant ceramic. Plus, it's microwave, dishwasher, and freezer-safe for ultimate convenience. With a generous 17-ounce capacity, you'll spend less time refilling and more time enjoying your meal. This elegant and functional gravy boat is a must-have for every home. It's the perfect way to elevate your dining experience. What we like? It has a classic and elegant design that will complement any table setting. Its unique shape prevents spills, making it perfect for serving at gatherings. If you appreciate both style and functionality in your tableware, this is the gravy boat for you. What people say. Holds a good amount gravy, the ladle was a perfect size. The perfect size for serving a large group of 14. Love that it had the spoon and saucer with it. It has a well-designed shape and handle. Number 4. Norpro Porcelain Gravy Boat. This elegant gravy boat is perfect for serving your favorite sauces and gravies. Its classic design complements any table setting. It holds a generous 2 cups, ensuring there's enough for everyone. You'll never run out of gravy again. Use it with or without the warming stand, it's completely up to you. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility. The boat itself measures 4.75 by 8.75 by 3.5 inches, while the stand is 2.25 by 5.75 by 4.75 inches. It's the perfect size for any occasion. Cleaning up is a breeze because it's completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your meal. This beautiful porcelain gravy boat adds a touch of elegance to your dining experience. Impress your guests with its timeless design. What we like? This gravy boat comes with a candle warmer to keep your gravy at the perfect temperature. You can also use the boat separately without the warmer. If you need a warm and elegant way to serve gravy, this is a great option. What people say. This is a nicely sized gravy boat, and the ability to keep gravy warm, and thus not congealed and icky, throughout dinner was a great addition to our table. Keep in mind, the boat itself is sitting on a candle, the handle stayed nice and cool to the touch, but the body of the boat gets warm. Definitely a worthwhile addition. I have had this sauce boat for 10 years. It keeps the gravy sauce warm without overheating and without needed to plug in. I absolutely love this gravy boat. It holds enough gravy to make it appropriate for Thanksgiving dinner, where 12 or more people are gathered at the table. The base is quite sturdy, and white goes with everything. The tea light is just enough to keep the gravy nice and hot. I prefer this design over the ones that have an inner chamber that you fill with boiling water. The tea light does a better job, just stir it from time to time. Number 3. 16-ounce Gravy Boat Warmer. This gravy boat keeps your sauces warm for longer, perfect for family gatherings or special occasions. Its double-walled insulation ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature. It features double-walled insulation to keep your sauces or liquids hot or cold for an extended time. Enjoy perfectly temperature-controlled gravy throughout your meal. The hinged lid makes refilling easy and mess-free, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Pouring is smooth and controlled. With a generous 16-ounce capacity, it's perfect for serving a large family or group of friends. There's plenty of space for all your favorite sauces. It's made from high-quality, double-layer stainless steel for durability and a sleek look. The lid and handle are made of durable ABS plastic for added comfort and safety. For best results, we recommend washing it by hand. This will help preserve its beautiful finish and extend its lifespan. What we like? Its double-walled insulation keeps your gravy warm for longer periods. The ergonomic handle and hinged lid make pouring easy and mess-free. If you're looking for a practical and convenient way to serve large quantities of gravy, this is ideal. What people say. Does what it says, and it's easy to clean. It's aesthetically pleasing and not ceramic. This gravy boat is a good size and is so easy to pour without spilling. Number 2. Eastbuy Gravy Boat. This is the Eastbuy Gravy Boat, a stylish and functional addition to your dinnerware. It's perfect for keeping your gravy warm and delicious throughout your meal. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and is easy to clean. Enjoy its durability and elegant shine. The double-wall thermal insulation keeps your gravy at the perfect temperature. No more cold gravy ruining your meal. The included lid keeps your gravy fresh and prevents spills. It also makes pouring easy and mess-free. It's ideal for everyday use or special occasions. Impress your guests with this elegant gravy boat. With a generous 450 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for serving a large family or group of friends. It holds plenty of gravy for everyone to enjoy. What we like. This gravy warmer is made of high-quality stainless steel and is thermally insulated to keep your gravy warm. It's also very easy to clean. If you value durability and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. To serve hot gray Thanksgiving dinner. Plenty of gravy left on table for people to grab, kept gravy hot. Number 1. Rorence Gravy Boat. This elegant gravy boat is perfect for serving your favorite sauces and gravies. Its sleek design will complement any table setting. It keeps your gravy warm for longer. Enjoy perfectly temperature-controlled sauces throughout your meal. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean. It's built to last for years of use. With a generous 16-ounce capacity, it's ideal for serving a crowd. It's perfect for both small gatherings and large feasts. The spout is designed for smooth, controlled pouring. Avoid messy spills and enjoy a refined serving experience. Its sophisticated design adds a touch of elegance to any dining occasion. It's a beautiful addition to your kitchenware collection. What we like. Made with double-walled insulation, it keeps your gravy warm for extended periods. Its large capacity is perfect for family gatherings. If you need a durable and efficient gravy warmer for larger groups, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a very good gravy boat that keeps the gravy very hot. That I use this gravy boat on Thanksgiving and it worked great. Keep the gravy very hot throughout the meal. This one keeps our gravy hot, easy to clean. This is a nice gravy boat that did everything it is supposed to. Kept gravy warm for hours. The size is nice. Holds about 2 cups worth and is easy to pour just using one hand, so great for buffet lines. It looks nice on the table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.